Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best Coke mix you have ever seen. First, all we need to buy is some oil, so let me go to the local gas mart. Now, let me buy some motor oil. Now, what we need to buy next is some kirk, then paracetamol. And now we need one more kirk, gasoline, battery, horse semen, and then we need the megabean. So that costs us $42. Let me buy it. And now let me get the Coke. Now let me get to my bungalow so I can show you guys the best mix. First, head over to your mixing station, now enter the Coke, and first what you guys need to put is some motor oil. Now, the next thing we need to put is some kirk. After that, what we need to put is paracetamol. And the next thing is the gasoline. Now we need to put some more kirk to get the euphoric effect. And now, after another kirk, simply put the battery. After battery, put some horse semen. And now, put some megabean. As you guys can see, now we got the best mix. Let me show you how much it's worth. Let me go to products, and here, let me find it. As you guys can see, it's suggested for $735, but you can ask for $850 without any problems. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.